You ate healthy hours ago, but you still look 6 months pregnant. You feel heavy, foggy, and stuck.
Stop buying expensive supplements. Today, we fix your gut with 5 cheap superfoods found in your kitchen.
And stay for the #1 food. It's a treat you think is bad for you, but science says it's actually a gut healing weapon. Let's go.
Number 5, if your digestion stops moving, your gut becomes a stagnant pond where bacteria overgrow. We need to turn that pond into a river. We need ginger.
Ginger stimulates the migrating motor complex. Think of this as your gut's internal housekeeper. It sweeps through your intestines, flushing out leftovers so you don't bloat. Pro tip: don't nap after a heavy meal. Grate fresh ginger into hot lemon water. It activates that sweeping motion within minutes.
Number 4 is for brain fog. You might have leaky gut, where toxins slip through cracks in your intestinal wall. And we need bone broth. It's liquid gold, packed with collagen and glutamine, and it acts like glue for gut lining. 1 cup a day can seal the lining and stop inflammation. Vegan? Use a high-quality mushroom broth. You are wasting money here. We need fermented foods, but if you buy sauerkraut from the dry pasta aisle, you are doing it wrong. Shelf-stable jars are pasteurized. The heat killed the bacteria. You must buy it from the refrigerator section. Look for live, active cultures. 1 forkful has more probiotics than an entire bottle of pills.
Number 2, you have the army. Now you have to feed them, or they starve. Your body can't digest, but your gut bugs love them. They ferment the fiber to create energy that lowers
the inflammation. It keeps your intestines clean too.
Start small if you aren't used to fiber. Eat too much too fast, and you will have a gassy belly. And finally, food number 1, the payoff: dark chocolate. No milk chocolate. It needs to be 85% cocoa or higher. It's packed with polyphenols that turn into anti-inflammatory compounds. So you have the chocolate, the ginger, and the broth. But none of that matters if you have invaders stealing your nutrients.
There is a specific seed that actually paralyzes intestinal parasites and helps flush them out.
To deep clean your gut and fix your sleep with this tiny seed, click this video right here. It's the missing link. Subscribe for more videos that make sense.